stablecoin connector BVNK partners with Chinese cross-border payments firm LianLian. The deal facilitates stablecoin payments across LianLian's network of merchants in over 100 countries. BVNK, a London-based firm that helps payment service providers, PSPs, use stablecoins, is working with Chinese payments company LianLian and its network of merchants in over 100 countries. The BVNK integration automatically converts merchant stablecoin deposits to USD, which LianLian Global routes through its global network, the company said on Wednesday. Stablecoins are a fast-growing segment of the payments world, with various estimates about how large this market will become in the coming years, ranging from $1.6 trillion to $3.7 trillion by 2030. BVNK, which raised $50 million of funding late last year, processes over $12 billion of stablecoin transactions annually and works with payments giants like Worldpay and Visa. LianLian, a large Asia PSP working with 130 currencies, said it was using Ripple's cross-border payments technology back in 2022. Through this partnership, LianLian Global's merchants can transform idle digital assets into instant cross-border payment fuel, said BVNK CEO Jesse Hemsenstruthers in a statement. Together, we're removing technical barriers so businesses worldwide can access these high-speed payment rails and move their money faster than ever before. Allison is a senior reporter at CoinDesk, focused on institutional and enterprise adoption of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Prior to that, he covered fintech for the International Business Times in London and Newsweek online. He won the State Street Data and Innovation Journalist of the Year award in 2017 and was runner-up the following year. He also earned CoinDesk an honorable mention in the 2020 SABEW Best in Business Awards. His November 2022 FTX scoop, which brought down the exchange and its boss Sam Bankman-Fried, won a Polk Award, Loeb Award, and New York Press Club Award. Ian graduated from the University of Edinburgh. He holds ETH.